What's gonna happen? Explain.
Ado's gonna cop a fucking bullet to the hand.
Ado?
Air rifle, mate. It's only air rifle.
How do you feel?
He should be alright.
Pretty confident.
You feel pretty confident. That's the air. Hang on, that's the air rifle. John's on the air
I'm
rifle.
scared now. Just by looking at it.
Close range or distance?
Okay. Well, a distance, alright?
Alright, hang on.
Wait, do you want me to get an apple first to see if it goes through an apple?
No, just leave it. Alright, ready? Go, I'll get behind John.
Oh, shit.
2,
Yeah?
1.
Oh.
How was it?
Stings? Not too bad.
Show us.
Not too. Oh, look at that bruise. It's a bit pinpoint. Fuck it.
That's bad.
What's it worse now? I was like. Look at the bruise. It's like a little point. That actually stings a lot.
Close range.
It stings a bit.
Stinks?
Now it stings more,
It stings now.
That's mad. That's mad.
Five,